Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to download Fiverr on your laptop or desktop. But before downloading, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from us. Now in order to download Fiverr, open Google Chrome or any web extensions. Then in the search bar, press www.viber.com and press enter. Then you will be successfully logged in to the official web page of Fiverr. Then on the top you can see a section where it is written download. Press there. If you press there, it will again show a web page where it is written download for Windows. Press there. If you press there, your Fiverr setup file will be start to download on your device. After waiting for a while, your setup file will be successfully installed, and if you double click the setup file, then it will open the setup file. After you open the setup file, there you can see an install button. Press there. If you press there, the final installation process will be started. After a while, the installation process will be completed. So this is how to download Fiverr on your desktop. I hope today's tutorial video was helpful for you. If so, like this video, comment down in the comment box if you have any questions or feedbacks. We will be back soon with more videos. Till then, goodbye.